Hey, what's up, guys? Yo, it's like 100 degrees outside here in Georgia. So I got this new hat. It's called a Mission Cooling hat. I'm gonna test it out. I bought some shirts from them also. So I'm gonna do a review on this later on. So it's so hot, I'm gonna see how it works out for me. But that's not what this video is about today. This video is actually about Green Touch Industries. I bought some locks from them, combination, because if you guys have the product, you know you got to use your key. After a while, when you're on a job, it gets cumbersome always reaching for the keys, trying to put the keys in. You just want to kind of just go. So I was on their website, I seen that they had a combination lock that you can buy and switch out the key lock. So I'm gonna show you guys that, unbox that, and show you how to change it out. I watched the video, it seems pretty simple. So I'm gonna flip the camera around so you guys see what I'm working with. All right, so this is the rack. As you can see, we got the key, and it seems pretty straightforward. Just pull this bolt, lock supposed to come out, and you just set it all up. So this is, oops, this camera just went kind of crazy on me. So I unboxed this already, kinda. This is how it comes when you get it. Instructions, the lock, and they give you this Allen key. It has like a flat part to it, if you can see that properly right here. And I'm gonna show you guys how you kind of do it. And this is the combination. So yeah, let's get to it, guys. And they say all you need is 16 millimeter, and you're good to go. So let's see if we can get this put together real quick. All right, guys. So basically, to change the combination, you hold the lock open like this. Use the flat side. You put it down in here like this, and then you just turn it to 90 degrees, and then that allows you to change the combination. And yeah, after you put the combination where you want, you just turn it back, take it out, and that's your combination. So I kind of did this one already. I'll show you on the other one. But first, let's try getting it in first. Pops right around, and the lock slides right out. So this is how the mechanism comes out, just like this. And you just kind of just twist this that way, and we just take it out like that. The other one, put it in. I'm assuming that's it, so let's try it. Don't over tighten. Honestly, you really can't over tighten. As soon as you hit that tight spot, it's like it's done. There's no extra, as you can see. Yeah, there's nothing else. No wonder I got it on the combination. So let's just change it 1 digit. Oh yeah, there you go. And oh yeah, it's perfect, guys. So just change 1 digit. Oh yeah, that's definitely gonna save me from always having to grab my keys. Boom, boom. So it might save you a minute or two, but I guess if you add up a couple minutes throughout the day and just to share, you got to keep reaching for something. The fatigue that you're gonna go through if you're out here all day, especially in this hot sun, it definitely helps out. I'm gonna put one more on the blower rack. I bought 2. I'm gonna try it out, see how it works. And right now, from how it looks, I'm gonna end up loving it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you.